Welcome, dear friends. Today we step into a world of nature, wonder, and quiet beauty. We are talking about something very small yet very meaningful, pine cones. We're really talking about pine cones. You have been them in forest, in winter decorations, in Christmas displays, in handmade crafts. But pine cones are more than just decor. They are symbols of growth, patience, protection, and new beginning. So sit with me, relax your breathing, and let's discover the secret story of the pine cone. Pine cone came from pine trees, which are among the oldest species on earth. Some pine trees can live thousands of years. They stand tall through storms, winter heat, and rain. They never rush. They just exist, strong and steady. Now, what is a pine cone's job? A pine cone protects the seeds of the tree like a mother protecting her children. When the weather is cold and unsafe, the pine cone stays tightly closed, holding its seeds safe inside. But when the sun shines again, when warmth returns, the pine cone opens, releasing its seeds back into the earth to grow. This is why pine cones symbolized hope after hard times, patience, healing, new beginning, just like us. We close when the world is hard, and we open again when we feel safe. Across the world, cultures have admired pine cone. In Rome, pine cones represented the spirit and life energy. In Egypt, they symbolized growth of the soul. In Scotland and Northern Europe, pine cones were hung on doors to protect the home from negative energy. Even today, when we place pine cone in decor, we are quietly saying, "This home has warmth. This home has peace. This home welcome new beginning." Let me tell you a story. There once was a tiny pine cone on a tall pine tree in a cold forest. Winter had arrived. The wind was sharp, snow covered the ground, and everything felt silent. The pine cone was afraid. What if I fall? What if I am not strong enough to grow into a tree? The mama pine tree whispered gently, "My little one, there is no rush. Your time will come. Your growth slowly. Wait. Life grows slowly. Be patient. Let the lesson teach you." So the pine cone waited. Winter passed, snow melted. The sun returned. One warm spring day, the pine cone family finally listened and fall softly to the earth. Rainwater touched it, soil welcomed it, and a small seed inside began to sprout. It did not become a big tree overnight, but every day, silently, slowly, it grew. And a year later, it stood tall, strong, rooted, unshaken by storms, just like that pine cones. Your growth may be slow, but you are growing too. Even in even on days you feel nothing is happening, you are changing quietly inside. Thank you. Be a part of this journey. When we use pine cone for decoration, we bring nature into our home, calmness into the atmosphere, simplicity into the heart. Pine cones look beautiful in wreath, in table centerpiece, in jars with fairy lights, on Christmas tree, or simply placed into a bowl with cinnamon sticks. You don't need expensive decor to create beauty. Sometimes the most beautiful things are found for free beneath our feet in nature. Crafting with pine cone is also mindful. Your hands become calm, your heart slows down, your mind stays in the present moment. It is not just decoration, it's a meditation. Take one pine cone in your hand, notice its shape, its layer, its softness and roughness. If you create pine, thank you for spending this beautiful, peaceful moment with me today. Thank you so much for your amazing response, and thank you. Be a part of this journey. I want to make something beautiful and extraordinary designs bring for our viewers and subscribers. So your response is the power of our channel. So keep commenting on my channel and keep